everybody, it's our first day in Lisbon and we're going on a walking tour.
There's almost nothing to see. I prefer to be on. They use the castles to put the military troops.
I haven't been filming much, but how are you enjoying the tour so far?
Oh, it's fun. I like the tour guide. He's very knowledgeable and funny, and it's an interesting tour. It's just like the Golden Gate.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Oh my god.
The bridge we have was built by the same company. It was built in 1966 when we had an international contest and they won the contest. The model is the same, the size is almost the same. Golden Gate's a little bit bigger, but there's differences. We also have a train in our bridge here, and it's impossible to walk in our bridge. The Christ that you can see is a replica of the Christ Redeemer in Rio. Our cardinal, when he visited Rio de Janeiro, he loved that Christ. He fell in love about the Christ, and he decided to do a replica of that here. We had a huge earthquake in 1755, and that earthquake affected 80% of the city. When you look to this side, you look, all this area of Lisbon was rebuilt after the earthquake. The only building that resisted to the earthquake is there. It's that one. That church, that's what you call the Carmel ruins now. But you can see there's no roof in the church. It collapsed in the earthquake. And that's the only building that's before the earthquake. All the others, they were rebuilt after. And Lisbon became the most modern city after the earthquake, the most modern city in the world. Imagine, the earthquake was 8.6
Wow.
in Richter scale, and the buildings start to collapse. Almost all the buildings collapse, and the people, they start to run to the river, to that side. The people that reach the river area, they saw an apocalyptic vision. All this water that you can see disappeared and went to the sea for about 20 minutes. The Atlantic is over there after the bridge. And then a huge wave came, a big tsunami, around between 15 to 20 meters tall, followed from 3 big waves. The waves were so big they were felt in all Europe. And the tsunami destroyed all the downtown areas in Lisbon. Follow me? This one.
That'd be terrifying.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like everybody would have gotten wiped out. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Don't run to the water where there's a quake. Yeah.
So beautiful.
I know, it is. It's so beautiful. And now that you said that about being rebuilt after 1755, you can see that in the architecture.
Yeah,
That
and then
Georgian
it's
kind of
a
stuff.
bit more of a grid as well.
Oh,
So,
yeah, you get a shot.
yeah, no, take a bite. Tell me what you think.
The dough is really flaky, it's like a pillow dough.
That's our street food in Malaysia.
Really?
Because they colonized the country. So,
Oh!
Okay, that makes sense.
so this is like one of the most popular along the west coast. You get this so much.
How was everything?
Delicious. Sweet.
Yeah?
I'm like ready for savory now. I'm like, ooh, lots of sweet.
Do you want to update the viewers on what we're doing?
We're taking a little break because we just did a nice walk with a really good guide through the, what was the area of town? The old part of town.
I don't remember. The
Alfama?
Alfama? I think so.
And then we went in search of food with a couple people from our tour who were very nice, but we ended up at a place that's like the exact kind of place that you don't want to go to.
We both went for the cheapest possible thing on the menu, essentially, because we're like, uh-oh, this is not the sort of place we want to be.
So I got basically a green salad and Kai got a seafood soup.
Yeah, it was okay, but
Yeah.
that's exactly the sort of place I avoid, and I always regret if I do go to.
Yeah. So now it's just time to relax a little, clean up a little bit, and think about what we want to do later today.
Yeah. So viewers, if you're ever traveling in Europe, here are the things to watch out for. Touts for restaurants, multilingual menus, menus with pictures, those are all very bad signs. This place had all of them. I like to explore the city though on my own as well,
Yeah.
because don't really have a feel for it quite yet. Like,
Not
it
at
looks
all.
really nice,
I'm totally lost.
but we'll get the walking tour first, and then with our tour mates, and yeah, I just don't have the feel for the city yet.
Me either. I'm looking forward to doing that.
First full day in Lisbon, and we're on a walking tour.
It's my brother.
Yeah.
It's very angry.
He does.
Yeah.
Cool. Huh?
Yeah. 4,000 seats.
I know.
It doesn't look like it would have 4,000 seats.
I think it's so cool to be in an excavation site.
Yeah, it's not a museum yet.
Exactly. I can't believe I'm drinking it. Whatever. Bottoms up, everybody.
It's new and it's
That's right. That's right.
Go to the taxi.